Good morning, students. I am very happy to meet you again. Today I am going to teach you the poem I Am Every Woman, written by Rakhi Narayani Shri. Let's listen the detail about the poetess. She is an academician with a passion for writing poems as a medium of self-expression. She is a postgraduate and she got a bachelor degree in education. In this poem, she talks about the multifaceted nature of women. What's the meaning of multifaceted? That is the multi qualities and talents of women. She says that today's women are empowered, brave, strong, and resolute. Resolute means determination. They are very determined to do all their works in their way. They are always ready to take up new ventures. What's the meaning of ventures? Ventures means challenging things and risk. They are persistent. Persistence means doing work continuously without any rest. And they work tirelessly to prove what they are capable of. So the poet says that these talented women must be treated respectfully for the growth of a nation. Children, so far I have given the note about the poetess as well as the gist of the poetry. Now I am going to give the line by line explanation of the poem, so listen very carefully. A woman is beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She is real, she is not fake. In these lines, the poetess says that a woman is beautiful in nature. Beauty is one of the traits of a human being bestowed by God. She is not only beautiful but also a symbol of power and strength. In this line, the poetess doesn't deal about the physical strength of a woman. That is, the mental ability of woman is given clearly. She is ready to face challenges and puts her life at risk. She never bothers about anything. At this juncture, we can able to justify the line with the example of the great personality Mother Teresa. She took many daring challenges in order to safeguard the poor and the needy. She is truthful when she expresses her love and concern to others. So she is always real and true. She never fake at any time. Listen the second stanza, children. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who are near. She is the woman, she has no fear. The poetess says that a woman is very positive in her approach even at the time of trouble. What does the word summer mean here? It means prosperity and a sense of fulfillment. Life is full of activity, a lot of hopes, prosperity, and goodness. So she wants to take all these things within her in order to take care for her near and dear one. She is a good comforter. She always consoles others with consoling words. That is clearly given in the second line. Listen the line. The line says, she says, spring will come again. Do you like spring season? Yeah, everyone likes it. Spring is a time of rebirth, renewal, and awakening. So she loves it and she wants it. It reflects a ray of hope and possibility. She is well advanced about what future holds for her. She is able to plan a schedule of success beforehand. So she motivates her dear ones that the good days will come again soon. She loves her family, children, friends, all the relatives and the neighbors. She is resolute. Resolute means determined and bold and fears nothing. Children, have you understood the first and the second stanza clearly? Now go to the third stanza. Listen it. Strong is she in her faith and beliefs. Persistence is a key to everything. Says she, despite the sighs and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. She is very strong in her faith and belief. Nothing can shake her. Though troubles come her way, she trusts God and believes Him. She is always going forward, always moving slowly, steadily, and steadfastly. As stated earlier, she is a symbol of strength as she is strong in her faith and beliefs. The poetess, who is also a woman, insists that persistence is the only key to everything. Do you know what's the meaning of persistence? It is a continuous effort done by a person. In spite of the complaints, the grumbles, and the grievances, She is very strong in her faith. She is very firm in her beliefs too. Now listen to the fourth stanza, children. She is a lioness. Don't mess with her. She will not spare you if you are a prankster. Don't ever try to sow her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to saw you, so beware. In the first line, the poetess compares a woman with a lioness. As you all know, a lioness is a very strong and brave animal. Likewise, a woman is also a very brave person in nature. The poetess advises the prankster to be careful. What's the meaning of the word prankster? It means a person who acts mischievous. So the poetess says that if anyone disturbs her or tries to bring disgrace to her pride and self-respect, she won't be quiet because she knows how to thaw him and saw him. Do you know the meaning of the words thaw and saw? Thaw means to melt or dissolve. Saw means to cut something. The literal meaning of the line is, she will fight against the prankster boldly and bravely without any fear. So beware of her. Now the last two lines, children. She is today's woman dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. Yes, she is the mighty woman of today. So it's always healthier to love her, to respect her, and keep her dignified. And also, she must be treated respectfully in all aspects of her life. Children, I hope you all have understood the line by line explanation of the poetry so far. And I request you to enjoy the poem by understanding the real values of women. Be thankful to your mom, sisters, friends, teachers, and all the women who come across in your lives. Don't neglect them because they are the morning stars of the society. Thank you.